Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about headers and footers in MS Word. So let's get started. Normally the headers and footers contains information such as headings, page number, the author name or some other footnotes related to the document. And those informations given in the headers and footers are displayed on each and every page of the document. To create headers and footers in your document, then go to the Insert menu and there you can find the Headers and Footers option. Now select the Header option. In there we can find many templates for header. You can select any one of them that suits best for your document. I have selected the blank header with 3 columns. In the first column, I am going to insert the date and time. And in the second column, I am going to insert a title for the document. And in the third column, I am going to give a contact information. I am going to give page number in footer. For that, go to the footer option and in that drop down list, you can find the page number option. Just select it. You can also use the page number option for better results. And now the page number was inserted in the footer note. See here it was displayed as 1 of 2 and then the next page it was displayed as 2 of 2 and automatically the page number get increased. And that's all about the headers and footers. I hope you have understand about it. If you have any feedback, please tell it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give a like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials and quiz videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.